Welcome to another day in paradise and welcome to a very different video. I am on Mallorca, a Spanish island right now, and just 1.5 weeks ago I've been to England and visited my brother over there.
Geld! Boah!
And now I'm visiting my father who's living over here, and on the flight here I realized I'm kind of spoiled and a little brat when it comes to these both places, because I've been here a lot of times and now it feels kind of normal. And especially for me, I am doing a lot of flights and a lot of vacations. Within 2 weeks of time I'm going to be on the next vacation in the northern part of Norway, so if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to hit the subscribe button already so you will be around as well. But yeah, back to the topic. I felt like I was sitting between all these people, and for me all those flights, like to England and here to Mallorca, it was like a normal flight. It felt a little like a bus ride in my hometown, and I was like, nah, for most people sitting around me it is not. It might be the highlight of the year to be able to visit a foreign country and to be here and to be around, and for me it was something I'm a little used to, and that felt quite bad, like to have this normality in it and not feeling special about it anymore. And I realized I don't want that. I want it to be special and I want to be excited about it. So this is the topic this video is going to be about: not taking anything for granted and not getting too used to anything in life, but be grateful and happy for each and everything you have. For me, that starts with even the place I've been born. Because I was born in Germany, and I'm quite fortunate that that is the case, because that gave me the opportunity to use the educational system over there and therefore earn enough money to do basically whatever I want and to travel a lot. I'm not trying to get too used to my girlfriend, the person who makes me happy by so much, so let's pick her up.
Fuego, nuestro amor es fuego y corren las balas de tu palabra fría. Tengo miedo, ay, cómo tengo miedo, que ya perdiste la gana. Enfréntalo más.
Or imagine you're climbing 1,000 steps to have an awesome view, then that is fun. But if this becomes your everyday way to work or to school, not so much.
Y así fue que tú ya olvidaste y yo caí, me volví tan loca, tan loca.
And sometimes it even needs a little bit of rain to be able to appreciate the sunshine.
Fuego, sueño con tu cuerpo Y aún recuerdo las noches cuando nuestro amor fue realidad. Quería poder explicarte, pero tú solo me llamaste loca, me llamaste loca. Y así fue que tú ya olvidaste.
And yes, it is quite normal to adapt to things and get used to things, because otherwise we won't function. We would be overwhelmed by life, by the world, by everything surrounding us. We adapt to noise, we adapt to certain views and everything so that we can do what we have to do. But that should never ever stop you from appreciating things. That should never ever stop you from being amazed by views, even if you've seen them the 100, 200, 300th time or even more, if you really want to enjoy them. There are things where it makes total sense to get used to it and not be like flashed each and every time, because it would consume a lot of time and maybe a lot of emotions as well. So maybe save them for the best parts. But, and that's another point that's pretty important, don't start with the best and the very best of everything. So bucket lists are fine, and I got one myself and I really like it, and it gets longer and longer each and every time I meet new people who are telling me about new countries or places to visit. But yet a bucket list could lead you to do the best of the best first, and then maybe be disappointed later because you visit places that are not tier A, tier 1, but further down. And like for myself, I've been diving in the Great Barrier Reef at one of my first dives, and after that I was way too spoiled to dive in Mallorca, for example. But there's way more to be grateful for in everyday life.
Trau, 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 trau. Alegria del valle y con su vieneu estaba su vieneu, estaba sabeteu. En la alegría del valle y con el viento del mar.
In the end, we should learn to appreciate 5 o'clock pickups to get to the airport, and appreciate this and 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 this. And even this. And finally, this.